Let's consider the number plane and a point P that is equal to the ordered pair A and B. So the abscissa is A and the ordinate is B. This distance is equal to A and this distance is equal to B. Now let's consider another point I'm gonna call S, and let's suppose that P and S are connected by a horizontal line. So if S and P are connected by a horizontal line, the ordinate of S is also equal to B. Let's suppose the abscissa of S is equal to C. So S is equal to C and B. The difference of the abscissas of the 2 points is this distance, and it's given by C minus A. And because the 2 points P and S have the same ordinate, there is no difference between both ordinates. In other words, the difference between both ordinates is equal to 0. The same logic may be applied to both points that have the same abscissa. Let's refer to another number plane. We have the vertical axis and the horizontal axis. I have Y and X. Let's suppose I have a point here equal, and this point is P and is equal to A and B. So the abscissa is A and the ordinate is B. Now let's consider another point S, so that if we connect P and S, the line that connects them is vertical. So P and S have the same abscissa. And let's consider that the ordinate of point S is equal to C. So S is equal to A and C. This distance is equal to A. This distance is equal to B. And this distance is equal to C. And the difference between the ordinates of both points is this distance. Let me refer properly. And it's equal to C minus B. Now let's refer to another number plane, and let's consider 2 points that have different abscissas and different ordinates. Let's suppose I have a point here, this point is A, and another point here, this point is B. And let's suppose that A is equal to x1 and y1, and B is equal to x2 and y2. So the abscissa of A is x1 and the abscissa of B is x2. The ordinate of A is y1 and the ordinate of B is y2. The difference between both abscissas is this distance, and it's denoted by delta x, and it's equal to x2 minus x1. The difference between both ordinates is this distance, and it's denoted by delta y, and it's equal to y2 minus y1.